This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, my family and I, we head down to Cuba for fly fishing to run to head down south when we got snow up here in West Virginia. Man, we're all about it. And Cuba has turned into like one of our favorite places. So this is a show with a lot of fish, a lot of action. I think you're gonna like it.
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
All right, it's 4 a.m. We just got to Pittsburgh Airport. We got my wife Shelly, we got Evan and Autumn. Now we're going to head down to Miami. We're going to meet up with my daughter Lakin, Dylan. So it's going to be a fun family event. Good friends. We're going to go down to Cuba and to Avalon, and this is going to be one cool fishing event. So, you know, in this episode, it's about spending time with family on the flats. And I mean, we just wanted to whack a bunch of bonefish. And, you know, I got my wife, Shelly, you know, Autumn and her husband, Evan, and then Lakin and her husband, Dylan. And we just decided to just kind of go crazy on some bonefish. Our guides did come to me like at the end of the first day and was like, you know, your people are like in like triple digits and I'm like, man, they're just having fun. They're like, what do you want to do tomorrow? I was like, more of this. I mean, it was just so cool to be on the flats and just to, you know, look down, you know, the beach and to see my daughter hooked up or my son-in-law or my wife and I mean, this is a trip. We'll be back. We'll be back to do it again. Good fish. Good fish. Wow. Wow. Good fish. That's got some LBs to it. Feels like he's got shoulders. He feels like he's got weight to him. It's a big one, that's why. Okay. He said, it's a big one. That's why. Oh, he is a real big, huh? Real big. This is why you come to Cuba right here, huh? Okay. You don't want him to pull me in, do you? That's a, oh my gosh, that's a big one. Oh yeah, baby. Yes, sir. Nice. Oh, look at that guy, huh?
That's a bonefish right there, baby. That's a bonefish, huh?
All right, so being an adult, being in the normal 40-hour work week and having to deal with PTO when your dad calls you a month ahead of time and says, hey, I have an opportunity to go to Cuba. You just make it work. These are once in a lifetime opportunities, and it was crazy how fast we put this together, but I know I hesitated for a slight second because it stresses me out to miss work. And my husband, Dylan, he's amazing. He said, no, we're doing it. We are making it work, whatever we have to do. And we got to invite some friends. We got to travel down to Cuba with my family. I've heard my mom and dad talk about it before and how absolutely breathtaking it is. My mom's been trying to get my sister and I down there for a while to take a family vacation and to take our husbands. These trips are just, you just can't put a price on it.
Set the hook. Let the line go. Good job. Good job.
Oh my gosh,
Your first Cuba bonefish.
I know, before lunch. Ooh, okay.
Very good. Good hook set, huh?
The second time. Not again. He's a fighter. He's got Cuba strength. Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He's coming to the boat. He's coming right to the boat.
Doing a great job.
Oh, my stars and mercy.
Good bone.
Okay. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh!
Good
We got a
one.
bonefish!
Good one.
Woo!
Way to go, Larry! Yeah, good one.
Look how awesome! Oh
Good
my gosh,
fish.
thank you!
I mean, you're talking about a proud father moment, just, you know, just looking up and seeing, you know, Lakin and Autumn, you know, on that same flats boat and just, you know, sharing the water and you know, knowing that they're out there being a little bit competitive against each other, but also knowing that they're really enjoying this time together. Again, I mean, when Shelley and I raised these girls, Shelley used to say, you know, I want them to be best friends forever. And fly fishing has done that. It's taken us all over the world and to really cool places like this over in Cuba. And again, to document this and as our family grows and to be able to do this, it's a dream come true.
Atta girl.
Woo!
Atta girl.
I didn't know I had one on there.
Way to go, guys.
All right.
Way to go. Good job, guys. Here we go, Audie. Hello, backing.
Oh yeah. We'll have to get the measuring tape out.
Keep that slack on it. Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
Beautiful.
They changed colors.
Green on top.
Uh-huh. Leader.
Nice.
Way to go, Audie.
Woo! This is awesome. So we both caught our first Cuban bonefish.
We sure did. Heck yeah! It's been a while since we've been out here fishing together.
Yeah. We didn't fight.
We didn't fight. Nobody went in the water purposefully. Pretty darn cool experience being out here down here in Cuba with our husbands filming and us back at it fishing. So we have yet to cross off bonefish in Cuba until today. So really awesome experience. We got multiple and we are pumped to go back at it tomorrow.
Yeah, here at Avalon, fishing on the run.
All right.
It has been amazing and I'm excited to go do it again.
That's right. Let's go.
You know, I've been really fortunate growing up and being able to fly fish all over really the world with my dad. And naturally, being a girl, you dream of one day being able to take someone special on these trips. So going saltwater fly fishing down to Cuba, being able to take my husband, absolutely breathtaking.
You know, getting to share experience with your wife and getting to enjoy an outdoor hobby and just share those moments and is unlike anything, you know, I've ever gotten to do, and getting to do it in Cuba was extra special. Man, he took off. Woo!
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my. Woo! Man, we're gonna get in the backing. Whoa, we're in the backing. Holy cow.
Yeah.
I see him. Woo!
Yes, nice one.
A big bone. There he is right there. Coming over here to the right. Oh man. Let him go. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Maybe 40 pounds. 5 pounds.
5 pounds? Wow. Look at that fish.
Nice. Nice. Way to go, Evan. Good shot, baby.
Yeah, going already. In that hatch reel though, it's kind of nice.
Yes, they are.
Here it comes. Nope, never mind.
As soon as you think you got them whipped, yeah, right. Oh, good one, great one. Yes, it is. Nice. Good fish. Nice.
You know, there's also a little running joke in our family that, you know, Shelly's that one and done. You know, she can go out and catch that one epic fish. She's good for the day. We knew it wasn't going to be one and done with bonefish. We knew that once she caught a couple, she becomes this addict fly fisherman. So yeah, she gets to catch a couple, and to be able to share it with my wife as well, and I mean, that's what it's about.
Okay, so what am I doing wrong here? Okay, what do I do? Okay. Okay. Rod tip up. Okay. Reel. Just gonna what? Okay. Yay! Oh my gosh! I finally got one! Yes! Oh, William! You're the best. Hello, my friend. Okay. Oh, okay, we'll go there.
So, you know, it seems like on our show that one more cast, it just seems like it always works for us, you know. I mean, I remember as a kid, like, come on, Dad, one more cast, one more cast. When I hear that on our show, I just like buckle up, because I know like one of my girls is about to catch a big fish. And you know, we were in some really good flats, some really good habitat for the bonefish. So I knew one of them was about to hook up and autumn come through.
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh, that was awesome. See it yet? Oh, that's a nice one. That's a real nice one. Yeah. I wonder it's fighting. Yeah, wow. Wow. Wow.
Man, we've fallen in love with Cuba. The fishing, the people, the hospitality. I mean, they love our tourism. They love that we come over there and that we like fishing. And you know, they've kind of got the fishing, you know, circled, and they know where some of the best fishing is over in Cuba. So for us, it's something that we'll put on the list to come back and again to be able to share it with family, and it just doesn't get any better than that. So come back next week for more Fly Rod Chronicles.